Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change password account on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open the app like this. After that, here you can press profile section, and then you can click your account. Okay, after that, press login and security option. And then here you can click edit. Okay, and then enter your current password. After that, enter a new password, and then confirm it. Well, and then press Save Change here. Okay, and then here you can sign into your account using your email and your phone number. And then your password account is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change password account on Amazon on an Android device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.